Unlock the power of your online business from anywhere, anytime, with Systeme right in your pocket. First, open your web browser on your phone. We're using Chrome here, but any browser will work. Navigate to Systeme and tap the login button. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see your main Systeme dashboard. This is your command center, giving you quick access to all your core features. Let's dive into managing your sales funnels. Tap on Funnels in the menu. Here you can view your existing funnels, see their performance, and even start creating new ones. Tap on a specific funnel to edit it. You can tap on each step to customize the pages, add text, images, buttons, and change layouts while you're all directly from your phone. Need to manage your email campaigns? Head over to Email Marketing. You can view your broadcast campaigns, automated sequences, and your contact lists. To send a new email broadcast, tap the plus icon. You can then write your subject line, compose your email content using the mobile-friendly editor, and schedule or send it right away. Managing your online courses is just as easy. Navigate to Courses. Here you can see your enrolled students and access your course content. Tap into a specific course to view your modules and lessons. You can even make minor edits to text content within a lesson if needed. Don't forget to check your notifications and analytics regularly from your dashboard. You can quickly see key metrics about your sales, leads, and email performance. Systeme on your phone gives you the freedom to run your online business efficiently, whether you're commuting, at a cafe, or simply relaxing. Start leveraging mobile power today.